that was my video.
Another thing they do is they take the videos or reels or whatever it is, and they flip it.
Reverse it?
Yeah. Not or basically like you're gonna be on his seat. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Oh, mirror it. Yeah. It's like, man, these people need to go get a real job.
So what'd you do? I mean,
I was like, well, I left a comment, and I just said, oh, man, video looks familiar, you know. So when I got home, I was thinking about it at work. I got home, and I was like, man, I wonder if they're on Instagram.
Mm-hmm.
Found them on Instagram, and I sent them a message with the link to that video, and I just told them that, you could have at least asked before you just straight up stole my video. And they responded. I think there might be from overseas, maybe like Europe. And he just responded and said that, or she, I don't know, that they, good work. It was a scripted response. It said, good work, nice work, or, whatever. And we were just trying to demonstrate, to the entire world your craft. And I just said, at first I was like, okay, well, that sounds good. I said, but if I needed help demonstrating to the world my craft, I would have asked for it. But honestly, I don't, because I already demonstrated because I posted the video myself, and you stole it, and you're making money off of it.
You can send them an invoice.
So I was just, they end up taking the video down, which was probably, a drop in the bucket to them. They don't care.
If you go to YouTube and tell them, hey, these people.
And you go on there, and none of those that channel, they're not building cars. They're not they're posting videos.
Yeah.
They're not building cars, man.
Making somebody else's work. And posting it.
And they're making buku money on it.
That's what I'm saying. If you post, or let's say you report it to YouTube, I'm pretty sure they have a team that can say, okay,
these
strike
people
one.
are frauds, man. Yeah, strike. That's
strike one,
just
and then
taking,
strike two, and then
so it's basically, it's taking pull the camera. It's taking essentially money out of your pocket, but in the digital form, in the internet form. They're bootlegging your stuff.
Yeah.
They're bootlegging your stuff. They're posting it as their own, and they're getting paid. I didn't even know that was a thing.
Yeah.
Like, that's not on my radar. I don't think that. I don't think about that shit. But I just randomly scrolled, and I was like, damn, that shit looks familiar. Yeah. And it was my video. And I don't think my channel is that popular, compared to other car channels.
So why isn't that, man? I mean, I know
why is my channel not as popular as others?
We're getting off topic. We started off with car shows, we started with content stealing and all that stuff. But
yeah,
why is that, man?
I don't know. I mean, well, for one, I'm not necessarily doing it to be popular. I'm doing it to help people and get a little bit of money at the same time.
Well, I mean, I think your audience or whatever.
The reason why
need to be, proactive. Maybe a little helping hand. Hey, can you think you can?
The reason why it's not popular is because it's a very small niche. Now, for us three, plus Johnny, plus the folks who watch the channel, this is what we do.
Yeah.
This is what I do. This is what I've been doing. This is what Bobby does. This is what you've been doing. This is what we do. This is like a major part of our life. Yeah. But for others, they don't even know this stuff exists. And it's a real small niche. Like, I can look at the analytics of the channel, and the main viewers are age 35 to 45, which is our age.
Yeah.
And that's the core.
9 to 5. The guys, their
blue collar folks who go to work and spend what little money they have on their car to try and build it themselves and save some money. That's my core. And out of the whole scheme of the whole population, that's a real small percentage. You know what I mean? You can make more money, but you can make more money videoing yourself, seeing how many beers you could drink in 10 minutes. And more people are going to watch that than watching a video putting a tail panel on a 62 Impala.
So you're challenging me. Okay.
I'm just saying.
No, what I was going to say is I really think, people people that subscribe to your channel, and even other content creators that follow your channel or interact with your channel, and just back and forth. I think it's so. I mean, there's nothing wrong with asking for a little bit of help. Say, hey guys, can y'all spread the word?
Yeah, and I have.
And just, to whoever, whether it be a Facebook group that you're a part of, or an Instagram page, or whatever, and maybe that'll help you grow. You want to grow your channel naturally. You don't want robots.
No. We don't do that. We're not buying nothing.
Yeah.
This is all. I mean, for the first 4 years of the channel, I didn't even have social media.
But I think sometimes marketing plays a big factor into, you have good content, but not a lot of people know about it because it's not getting to them. The word is not getting to them.
Yeah.
If more people knew about it, I think more people would be more in tune to come in and check it out. So every chance I talk to somebody, because the first thing that comes up when I meet somebody, and I deal with a lot of truck drivers on a daily basis. The first thing they see is they notice my tattoo of my Dayton wheel. And so we start talking cars. I'm into lowriders and this and that. And I was like, yeah, man, I got a buddy of mine who's got a channel. I got two buddies of mine who's got channels, and I always give them your channel and I give them John's channel.
Okay.
And I always say, look, check them out, man. They got great stuff. Follow them. And sure enough. And they just like, that's what I do to try to get the word out. But just imagine that times 100 people.
Yeah, I mean, you gotta. I mean, maybe in the future I will push it more, but it's crazy, man. Because when I started the channel, I remember when I got 100 subscribers, and I was like, damn, I got 100 people actually watching what I'm doing. And back then, you go back, the videos are still there, man. They're super corny. They're like low budget. The quality sucks. The quality still sucks compared to other people who are better at editing. Mm-hmm. But now we're coming up on almost 10,000 subscribers.
Yeah, I remember when you were trying to get over the 3,000 mark.
3,000. It was 100, then I'm like, okay, and it was like 500. And I'm like, oh damn. And then I made 1,000. I'm like, okay, well now I can get paid. I didn't even know how to get paid. I didn't know how to get paid for like the first 2.5 years.
Yeah.
I had it switched off the whole time. So then I was like, oh damn, you can actually get paid.
Yeah.
So then I put it on to monetize, and I do get paid. It's not, we're by no means getting rich. It's beer money. But then it was like 1,000. I was like, okay, and 5,000. Now we're coming up on 10,000, which is, I would never have imagined that I would have 10,000 people watch me work in my garage. Which is, that's awesome.
Yeah.
And they now we do the hoodies and the shirts, which I never actually posted that on YouTube.
But you know what? I think kind of going back to the people that watch your channel. I think I've mentioned this before, man. Sometimes, even for me, when I watch somebody else's YouTube channel, man, I want to be part of that, man. So I watch the videos, other people's videos, because I'm intrigued into what they got going on, right?
Yeah.
So we're sitting here drinking some beers after working on a full 8-hour shift.
Sure.
Working on cars
on Saturday.
Yeah, and sometimes people don't have that available to them. They don't have a shop type environment where they can say, hey man, I want to come hang out and we're working on the 60. Okay, we're working on 62. Cool. Let's get down to it.
Sure.
And then after we're done, we're hanging out, drink some beer, talk shit, and just whatever.
It's a you get the full package.
Yeah, man. People enjoy that, man.
Full package plus lunch.
Yeah, I mean, the burgers are good.
Yeah.
But I mean, it's sometimes people miss that, man. They want to be a part of something like that. I get a lot of compliments on the channel that people say, man, got a good crew. Yeah.
And we do got a good crew. I mean, you live an hour away or 45 minutes. Bobby lives 45 minutes. Johnny lives an hour.
Yeah.
And we make it happen. So not a lot of people can get to enjoy that or experience that.
Yeah, I mean, a lot of people are busy, man. They don't have a lot of time.
Not only that, but it's time and money.
Yes.
What's the battery saying? Is it almost dead or what? 54.
53%.
How much?
53.
You know, I think what it is, man. Just people want to be a part of something, man. I know I do.
Yeah.
I know some. We had this conversation before. Actually, last time I was here, we were talking about like, and so I guess this closes information to your channel, but you know, buying the '68 wasn't just to buy the '68, man. I mean, you know, I want a car so I can spend 30 grand on. No, it wasn't that, man.
Oh, come on.
No, it wasn't about that. To be honest with you,
Just 30?
the only reason a big part of the reason why I bought that car was because of this.
Sure.
It's a way to spend time with friends.
Sure.
You're doing something productive. You know, you get to showcase.
I agree.
Your efforts. You know, all the labor, everything that we put into it. We got something we can show for and say, this is it. You know, and I get a lot of compliments over it, man.
Yeah.
It's great. But
I agree.
one of the main reasons was because of this. Because I want to.
Yeah,
Saturday, man. Just hanging
Saturday
out.
is my favorite day of the week.
You know, so.
Because I know I'm going to work on the ride, or whether we're going to work on the ride, or I'm going to work on the ride, or y'all going to work on the ride. Something's happening. You know what I mean? Something's going to happen.
And I think that's what it is, man. You know, sometimes you miss that. You want that. You know?
And I'm here almost every Saturday.
Bobby's been here almost every Saturday for like 10 years.
Remember that one time that he missed like 2 in a row?
Yeah, and I was drug him out the truck.
And people get mad. They're like, "Oh, let's go fishing, or let's go do this."
You know, yeah, that's another topic, man. This is a commitment.
And I'm like, I can't go. I got stuff to do.
Yeah.
And like, oh, just cancel. And I'm like, I can't. I'm working on my car.
Yeah.
It's a commitment, man, for
It
sure.
is.
Well, that could be a whole another topic, man. But where we at? 30 minutes now.
35.
Oh wow, that's long enough.
Oh no, we got more.
Yeah, there's plenty more, man. So if people like this type of video, this type of conversation about these different topics, man, you could drop something in the comment section. Maybe a topic that you want to hear us talk about, or but maybe we do more of this. This is something we just threw together here at the end of the day. Leave a comment if you like what you see, or you can relate to what we're talking about. Maybe you agree or disagree.
Hey, what's your Instagram page?
Same thing as YouTube, Lonestar, Lonestar_Lows.
And you
Instagram.
you recently got a TikTok channel.
Oh,
So
yeah.
go ahead. What's
I don't even know.
What do you mean you know?
I don't do TikTok. I thought you were going to be the TikTok man.
No, I mean I got some some videos up. But your name's on there, the same thing. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Lonestar_Lows.
We do TikTok. We're going to see how that works. Just trying to put the information out there, man, for people that can use it, benefit from it, enjoy it, and relate to it, stuff like that. So if you guys like what you're seeing, man, drop a comment.
Follow
maybe,
that, yeah.
And maybe we'll do some more. So y'all stay tuned. Thanks for watching.